All right, we're going to unbox this here. This is the Subtig magnet mount bracket. This is for a GoPro or really a phone, anything you want to wear on your chest with a magnet mount. Open this up. You got the magnet mount right here for the camera. We're going to mount it on right there. And then you have this part just sticks like that. Let's see what else is in here. There is, looks like a little safety kind of thing there. I'm not sure what that is, but let's pull all this out. Lose it. So this is the lanyard, put around your neck, mount your GoPro here. So it looks like we have two mounts. So it looks like a backup mount. And then this, it looks like a safety cable or safety kind of deal. There's no directions or anything in this. Doesn't say anything about what's what. Oh, okay. So this is like a shorter mount maybe. Not sure. But there's the lanyard, goes around your neck. You can put this this here under your shirt. Click the GoPro so it's on the outside of your shirt. Much nicer than those old GoPro vests that we used to wear. So I'm going to get this thing rigged up. We're going to do some fishing with it. So show it to you as soon as I get it set up. All right, guys, so this is what this is. It just wraps around your necklace just like that, around your neck. It's just a neck thing, and you just kind of stick your GoPro to it. Comes off pretty easily. And if you want, one of the things you can do is you can just tuck this inside your shirt so it's a little bit more discreet. And then you just simply stick your GoPro on the mount. And there it is, and you're ready to start fishing. So let's do some fishing. Got one, finally. About time. What? You need to be careful of snakes walking. I'm not walking across the water, no.
No, not across the water.
I'm not going, we're not going on that side.
What?
No.
I know how.
No.
Please?
I'm not going over there.
I know how.
Where? If you be careful going through there, there's snakes. Yes, it's summertime. Got another one. Got lucky with that one. That's a bass. Look at that. Look at that little bass. Look at that little thing. That's probably the same one you caught last time. It's not, you have to cast in that one hole all the way across. Let me show you where to cast. All right, guys, overall the GoPro magnetic necklace mount, overall I would give it a grade of about a B. It doesn't fit perfectly tight. You know, it does move around more than, say, the chest mount for the GoPro that fits all the way around, the chest vest or whatever you want to call it. It doesn't fit as good as that, but it gets the job done. It's okay. The one great thing, though, about this is because this is a magnet, you can use this to mount a GoPro anywhere where there's metal, including like a chain link fence at like Little League games. So makes the GoPro very versatile, including the side of your car. The only place it won't stick is the side of an aluminum boat. Womp, womp, womp. Anyway, I think they're worth picking up. It's good to have in the kit. They're relatively inexpensive. You can get one, link in the description if you're on YouTube. Tag product if you're watching on Amazon. So, and if you're watching on Facebook, then it's the first comment below. You can pick one of these up, a link. So hope you guys have enjoyed. Have a great day.